Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Dahu Township in Miaoli County has a mild climate, abundant rainfall, warm days, and cool nights, making it quite suitable for farming. There are different fruits all year round, such as strawberries, peaches, plums, and other fresh fruits, all of which are specialties of Dahu. December to April is the busiest time for strawberries. Dahu, which is also known as the Strawberry Kingdom, also holds the Dahu Strawberry Festival. During the New Year season, there's an endless stream of tourists that head over to the local strawberry farms to experience the fun of picking strawberries.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello, 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And in this month of February, it's a happy new year. It's time to go out and really experience Taiwan.
真的啊，台灣是個寶島，係個寶島啊。
That's right. We are a Formosa island, a beautiful island. 寶島。
寶島。
Okay. 那今天是要帶我們去哪裡？
那我們就去寶島裡面的仙境苗栗園。
苗栗園的哪裡？
太府鄉。
太府鄉，這我去過嘛，大湖啊。
那你知道我要帶你去幹嘛了嗎？
種草莓啊，採草莓。
亂講話。
我們也可以幫那些農夫先種一下，
也可以啦。
我是這個意思啊，想到哪裡了？
是。
That's right. I gotta tell you. And here in Miaoli County, in 大湖 Township, 大湖鄉怎麼說？
太府鄉。
太府鄉 They're most well known for strawberries. 草莓。
臭梅
啊，有教過臭梅。
那另外一個你可能就不知道了。
好，你說。
叫做吃婆味。
嘿，这个我真的不知道，吃婆味是不一样的一个水果吗？
其实是一样的。但是呢，讲法来说，这个吃婆味是比较传统的草莓的讲法。
哦，是哦。So the more traditional way of saying a strawberry is 吃婆味。
大概从12月到4月份来到这个大湖都可以采草莓。
Yeah, so I'm sure there's a lot of strawberry festivals going around in Miaoli County right now because from December all the way to April, it's the best season for sweet, succulent strawberries. All right, let's review these terms. Okay, 苗栗县的大湖鄉，
苗栗縣太府鄉，
苗栗縣太府鄉 and you gotta go pick some strawberries. 要採草莓，
摘吃婆味，
摘吃婆味，或者是
摘臭梅。
摘臭梅。There you go. That's this edition of Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只識張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.